Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of cloud storage. My new favorite player is Pcloud. Pcloud offers secure, reliable storage for all your precious files. Imagine having access to your documents, photos, and videos from anywhere, anytime. That's the Pcloud life. But Pcloud is more than just a safe haven for your files. Here's what makes it awesome. The software offers a super secure, military-grade encryption system for data protection, allowing easy access from any device, facilitating easy sharing with friends and family, and ensuring automatic backups to prevent memory loss. Here's the best part. Pcloud is currently offering a special discount. You can snag some seriously affordable cloud storage and gain peace of mind knowing your files are safe and sound. Head over to the link in the description below to learn more about Pcloud and grab this amazing discount before it's gone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.